What's going on, my future CPAs? I'm Jay, and this is Rising CPA.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff.
This video is a short one. I just want to recommend you guys a few things you guys should do while preparing for this exam. Something that I realized is that every time I take an MCQ unlimited practice test, it's like I read the question for the first time. And look how long is this material. Look at the table of contents. Like, come on, yo, that's probably like everything you learned in college. But anyways, the point is that I want to recommend you guys to do this. Print the table of contents that's in your Becker book in the beginning, and try to do something like this. What I did was I highlighted all the areas that I feel like I need to strengthen, and then I'll continue reviewing those areas. Like, for instance, look at this, ratio analysis. I haven't dealt with a lot of ratio analysis questions in the exam, and I don't think that exam does test you on that, but it's good to know them in general. Even in life, it's good to know. If I was to be asked right now off the head, what is the working capital, I wouldn't know how to do the formula and review. This is just something so you guys can strengthen those weak areas and have it right next to your desk. Like, for instance, I'm here on my desk and it's right next to me. I just look to the left and say, okay, I already went over this, let me go over that, and it's beneficial. Then I want to show you guys another thing I did it on Word. I got this template on Google. I just Googled monthly template. So what I did, I wrote the date down that and what is the organization again? It's the NASBA. NASBA releases a score. How long, the window that I have to wait for that score. So this is the last date I can sit in January to take that exam. This is the last date in February to take this exam. This is the last date. Like, I wrote it on the calendars just in case I needed some extra days. I can use the time period as effective as I can. So I recommend you guys do this little calendar thing, and I also recommend you guys to print the table of contents and put it like on your wall or something. Hang it in your car, whatever you want to do. Just put it somewhere wherever you study, and you can look at it and then highlight the areas that you think you need more reinforcement. Like, for instance, there's still a few areas where I think I need to. Governmental, I think I have that down packed. Most of governmental is mostly understanding and remembering, but it's mostly you want to highlight the areas where your calculations seem to always be off, or you're always answering the wrong question when it's not really a complicated question. So those are the areas you want to really highlight. Yeah, so hope you guys like the little tip. Thank you for watching.
3, 2, 1, 0. All